Here is our transverse support arm TSA. It's made out of acrylic, and we're going to manufacture it here in the lab using the laser cutter, and I want to demonstrate how to go about that. So you've created this TSA, you've checked the volume to get the right value so you know it's correctly made. So we're going to right click on it and create a drawing, and just choose size A. And we want to put this in to our drawing in the following way. If you'll recall, back in the part studio, the top view from the part studio is the one that looks like this. So go back and back up the video and you can see that. So this is the view we want to have, and we want to make sure it's 1:1 and just plop it in there. Now ideally, and press escape, so that's the only view we're going to put in there. Ideally we will have a drawing template that doesn't have a title block down here, but just in case, we're going to remove everything. So I'm grabbing everything from the lower right to the upper left, and I think if I touch anything it'll select it, and then I press delete on the keyboard, and I'm trying to get rid of everything except for the TSA here. Okay, once I've got that, it's probably a good idea to make sure it's got a sensible name. TSA drawing 1, we'll take that. So right click, export, use PDF format, so we'll export that. And after you export that to your computer or Chromebook as a PDF file, you'll then upload it to your Google Drive, and then you'll have access to it when you go to the laser cutter station, and you can download it then. And when you do that, after you do that, you're going to go to this procedure here, which I'll make available. This is the procedure to cut the part out on the laser. You use 1/4 inch thick acrylic, clear acrylic, and this procedure is here for you to refer to. So that is how you manufacture your transverse support arm out of 1/4 inch thick acrylic sheet. Thanks for watching.